In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Users and Accounts. Then hit Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!